Hey, what's up? Tech here, and today we'll deep diving into an app that has become a pillar on smartphones around the globe. WhatsApp. Whether you're obsessed with countless group chats or you just wanna use it for the occasional messaging, WhatsApp boasts features that make it stand out, along with a few areas for improvement. In this video, we'll cover the interface, features, performance, privacy and security that make WhatsApp a top choice for so many. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the interface. WhatsApp offers a clean, straightforward design. It's user-friendly and intuitive, allowing easy navigation. The chat bubbles and customization options give it a personal touch. You can change the background, adjust bubble colors, and set custom notification tones for different chats. And for those late night conversations, the dark mode is easy on the eyes, reducing on the strain and making the app look sleek. Moving on to the features. WhatsApp is packed with functionalities catering to a wide range of users. Here are some of the standout features. End-to-end encryption. This is a major win for privacy. Your messages, calls, and even video chats are protected, ensuring that you're the only one and the person you're communicating with that can read or listen to them. It's like having a conversation in a secure private room. Voice and video calls. The quality of the voice and video calls on WhatsApp is generally crisp and clear, revealing dedicated calling apps. Whether you're connecting with friends or holding a business meeting, the experience is usually seamless. File sharing. WhatsApp allows you to send various file types, including videos, photos, documents, and even your location. This makes it a versatile tool for both personal and professional communication. Disappearing messages. This feature lets you set messages to vanish after a certain period of time. Whether it's 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, it's perfect to choose temporary conversations you don't want to keep forever. Status updates. Similar with Instagram stories, WhatsApp status feature lets you share text, photos, videos, and even GIFs with your contacts that disappears after 24 hours. WhatsApp takes privacy and security serious. Here are some of the features that highlight this commitment. Chat log. Ever worried about someone reading your messages? With chat log, you can set a password or use biometric authentication to protect your chats. Notifications are kept discreet, showing only that you have received a message without revealing any details. Silence unknown callers. Tired of spam calls? This feature screens out calls from your numbers not in your contacts, so you can focus on the people that matter the most. Encrypted backups. Keep your cloud backups secure with end-to-end encryption. This means that your messages are protected even when it's saved to iCloud or Google Drive. Last seen and online settings. Privacy extends to your online presence with settings. You can choose who can see when you are online or when you last opened the WhatsApp, giving you control over your digital footprint. Security and safety. WhatsApp automated system works hard to keep spam calls at bay. Your smartphone number isn't searchable and you'll receive alerts for suspicious activity on your account. Additional privacy controls. WhatsApp allows you to decide who can add you to their groups and who can see your profile photo or status updates. And if you've ever wanted to leave a group chat quietly, you can do it without alerting the whole group. While WhatsApp excels in many areas, there are aspects where it could improve. One significant area is its backup and transfer system. Moving chat history between different platforms can be a hassle, and it's something that many users, including myself, would love to see streamlined in the future updates. When it comes to performance, WhatsApp is reliable at source. It's rare to encounter bugs, crashes, which is impressive given the app's massive user base. The developers clearly prioritize stability, which is crucial for an app that has become a key communication tool for so many people. Now, let's talk about WhatsApp Business. This variant is designed for business owners, offering features like automated messages, quick replies, and labels to organize chats. It's an excellent tool for businesses to communicate with customers efficiently and professionally. WhatsApp Business also provides analytics, helping businesses to understand the communication patterns and improve the customer interactions. So these are the new additions of WhatsApp. Could be features. So not with our WhatsApp communities. This feature is designed to bring together related groups, chats under one umbrella. It's perfect for organizations and large groups looking for a streamlined communication. WhatsApp channels. Similar to Telegram's channels, this feature allows you to broadcast messages to large audience without the need of group chats. Multiple WhatsApp accounts. You can now manage multiple WhatsApp accounts on a single device. This particularly is useful for users who need to separate personal and professional communications. Group voice calls and video calls. This feature allows users to make voice calls and video calls with multiple participants simultaneously. Protect your account with email login. We've been using SMSs or calls. So when you're logging into your WhatsApp, you will have to use an email like you've been using for the other platforms. Email now you can use it on WhatsApp. Yes, it's a pretty good feature and I really like it. We also have polls feature that enables you to create and participate in polls within the app, within WhatsApp. Yes, we also have the search by date feature that allows you to search based on the date of, maybe you're searching for an image or a message. You will be able to search by date. Then the other thing is a self-texting. You can now message yourself on WhatsApp. This enables us to maybe keep notes. If you have reminders, you can use this self-texting thing. That's what I've been using, and pretty awesome. The other feature is status videos and audio is extended from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. That's a minute, and the statuses last for 24 hours. So you can post your status updates or videos or audios for 60 seconds. Pretty cool. So we also have text editing for the statuses for more sizes and colors. This feature has brought in more offers for variant text customization and options for status updates, including different sizes, different colors, something like that. So the other feature is you can have all kinds of avatars that look your match. This provides a wide range of avatar customizations options. So if you're good at avatars, you can maybe create your own avatar. You can actually create several avatars basing on what you want, which is pretty cool. Lastly, we have Meta AI. Yes, Meta AI train a season of AI and integrated in different apps, in different softwares. Meta AI is also in WhatsApp. You can prompt it. As it's also competing with the other models like ChatGPT. Yes, it's integrated in the messaging, and actually that's worked for me. I've tried it, and though I've encountered some issues with it, it has a when you use Meta itself, if you use the messaging thing, the Meta, when you open Meta itself, it at times lags. If you over prompt it, it lags. But my advice is you can use at symbol at Meta. If you're texting, maybe in your texting at Meta AI. So whenever you prompt it, there it will work pretty cool, and Meta is really good. The Meta AI, I have not encountered any issues concerning the delays and what. No, it's only the lagging thing. In the comment section if you've also encountered some errors, some issues with AI. But I've updated my WhatsApp. I think it's pretty fixed. I think to wrap things up, WhatsApp is an app that is hard to live without once you start using it. It excites at simplifying communication, making it seamless and intuitive. From its robust privacy features to its versatility in file sharing, plus meta and business tools, WhatsApp knows the basics and offers an extra in keeping things interesting. At 1VTech, we believe in the power of simplicity, and WhatsApp embeds this by streamlining communication in our busy lives. While there is room for improvement, particularly in data portability, it's a solid app that I find myself opening on a daily. If you're looking for a messaging app that is secure, reliable, and packed with features, WhatsApp is definitely worth checking out. That has been it for today's video. If you found this deep dive into WhatsApp both informative and engaging, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and the ring button for notification so that you don't miss out on the updates. Remember, at 1VTech, we believe in simplicity in technology. Until next time, blessings.